Looking for a reliable and powerful solution for work, entertainment, or gaming? The best home desktop computer combines speed, storage, and performance, delivering seamless multitasking and smooth operation, making it perfect for family use or personal projects. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started! Number 1. HP Desktop Computer. The HP Desktop Computer is a highly capable and reliable device designed for both productivity and entertainment, making it an excellent choice for professionals, students, and home users alike. At its core, it is powered by the robust 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12400 processor, offering 6 cores and 12 threads to ensure smooth multitasking and fast processing. With a maximum turbo frequency of 4.40 GHz, this system delivers responsive performance for demanding applications, whether you are working on spreadsheets, browsing multiple tabs, or streaming content. The inclusion of 32 GB DDR4 SD RAM ensures ample memory for seamless operations, while the 1 TB PCIe SSD provides both speed and significant storage capacity for documents, software, and media. For visuals, the Intel UHD Graphics 770 delivers decent graphics performance suitable for general use, media consumption, and light creative work. Connectivity is well covered with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, alongside a wide selection of front and rear ports including USB 5 gigabits, USB 2.0, HDMI, VGA, and audio jacks, giving you versatile options for peripherals and external displays. Running on Windows 11 Professional 64-bit, it offers modern features and enhanced security for business and home users. The system comes bundled with a wired keyboard and mouse, ensuring a ready-to-use setup right out of the box. Number 2. Dell Tower Desktop Computer. The Dell Tower Desktop Computer, specifically the Vostro 3030, is engineered to provide efficient and reliable performance for office and business environments, but it can just as easily fit into educational or home setups. Powered by the latest 14th Gen Intel Core i3-1400 processor, featuring 4 cores and 8 threads, it operates at a base clock of 3.5 GHz, with turbo speeds reaching 4.7 GHz. This ensures fast responsiveness and dependable execution for everyday tasks, such as office applications, internet browsing, and virtual meetings. The 32 GB DDR5 SD RAM is particularly impressive at this price point, allowing for excellent multitasking capabilities, while the 1 TB PCIe SSD provides both high-speed boot times and substantial storage space for files and programs. Graphics are handled by Intel UHD 730, which supports HDMI and DisplayPort outputs for dual monitor setups, ideal for productivity. The system includes Realtek Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity for modern wireless performance, alongside a well-rounded port selection. On the front panel, you'll find USB 2.0, USB 3.2 Gen 1, and a Type-C port. Number 3. Dell Optiplex Desktop Computer. The Dell Optiplex Desktop Computer is a unique offering that blends practicality with a touch of personality. Unlike standard business desktops, this model includes an RGB lighting kit on its side panel, which gives users the ability to choose from 13 different lighting modes and colors, such as spectrum, flashing, or solid options. This fun feature adds a modern aesthetic and allows you to customize your workspace with a vibrant look that matches your style. Beyond its design, the Dell Optiplex is built for reliable everyday use. It connects easily to the internet with its included Wi-Fi adapter, ensuring wireless convenience for both home and office setups. As a Microsoft-authorized refurbisher product, it provides the added reassurance of quality, having undergone testing and certification to deliver dependable performance. This makes it not only affordable, but also trustworthy for users who want a system that works well straight out of the box. While the specifications are not as high as some newer Dell Vostro or HP models, the Optiplex line has long been known for durability and stable operation, making it a safe choice for students, remote workers, and casual users. It's particularly well-suited for tasks like document processing, browsing, streaming, and light business applications. Number 4. Dell Desktop Computer. The Dell Vostro 3030 Tower Desktop, equipped with the powerful 14th Gen Intel Core i5-14400 processor, is an outstanding solution for professionals who require reliable performance and scalability. With 10 cores, 6 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, and 16 threads, it is designed to handle demanding multitasking with ease. Its performance cores clock up to 4.7 GHz, while efficiency cores reach 3.5 GHz, striking a balance between raw power and energy efficiency. With 32 GB DDR5 RAM, this desktop provides more than enough memory for heavy multitasking, making it suitable for business professionals working with complex spreadsheets, multitasking office applications, or running multiple programs simultaneously. Storage is equally strong with a 1 TB PCIe SSD, ensuring lightning-fast boot times, rapid application loading, and plenty of space for business documents and media. The Intel UHD 730 graphics are reliable for general use and support multi-display setups via HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, which is excellent for productivity and workflow enhancement. Connectivity is robust, featuring Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for modern wireless connections, as well as a full array of USB and audio ports for flexibility. Number 5. Dell Windows Desktop Computer. The Dell Windows Desktop Computer is a balanced and practical machine that offers reliable performance for everyday users at home, school, or in small office environments. Equipped with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, it delivers smooth multitasking performance for tasks such as document editing, browsing, streaming, and basic creative work. Its storage solution combines the speed of a 500 GB SSD with the large capacity of a 1 TB HDD, giving users both fast boot times and ample space for storing media, software, and files. For visuals, the integrated Intel UHD Graphics 630 ensures clear and stable display performance, suitable for everyday applications and video playback, though it is not designed for heavy gaming or advanced graphic-intensive tasks. Connectivity is a highlight, as the desktop includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and LAN, giving users multiple options for both wired and wireless networking. This makes it versatile for any setup, whether you prefer a fast Ethernet connection or the convenience of wireless. The sleek black tower design is slim and modern, meaning it won't take up unnecessary space and will fit neatly into most home or office environments. While its specifications are not as advanced as high-end models with DDR5 RAM or the latest processors, this system provides more than enough performance for most everyday computing needs. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.